How do the character towards their job, boss, and colleagues influence their behavior in the workplace? Attitudes and the influence their behavior. This job are challenging. He job in the most of the Miranda, the boss she approaching a new job and discipline or attitude can hinder or process. Instead, we should adopt a mindset of observation and learning new boss his insight from this emotion. For Andy, journey attachment to the fact that sometimes we feel bad or good to Miranda. So, ang attitude po dito ni Andy is yung mas ano pa niya yung emotion or ano pa yung strato niya kay Andy. Si Miranda naman po is mas ano po yung pakikitungo niya kay Andy na mas or mas i-pursure niya pa yung work niya sa pagsilbi kay Miranda. At doon na realize ni Miranda na hindi sa lahat ng oras or pagkakataon nandoon si Andy sa kanya. Na-desisyonan ni Andy na humanap ng ibang work na mas doon niya pa mai-picture yung kanyang passion, na doon niya pa maano yung career niya, yung future niya sa kanyang jowa, na mas matutukan niya yung career niya sa buhay niya.
So, for recognizing ethical issues, based on the main character, Andy Sachs, the main character, grapples with ethical issues throughout her journey. And as assistant to Miranda Priestley and the alternative actions, she considered exploitations of employees, compromising personal values. That's the one. And Andy is a young woman with strong values, and Miranda's world often clashes with those values, and also she sacrificed personal life. So Andy's job demands constant availability and sacrifice her personal life, leaving her feelings drained and resentful. This raises ethical questions about the balance between work and personal well-being. And she prioritizing appearance over substance. So about alternative actions, she considered keeping. Andy contemplates keeping several times throughout the film, feeling overwhelmed and disillusioned with the environment. She recognizes that staying in such a toxic environment is not ethical and could be detrimental to her mental and emotional well-being. And of course, so because of that, she confronting Miranda and finding a balance between her work demands and her personal life, setting boundaries with Miranda whenever possible, and she could choosing her path. And that's it.
So, for the ethics naman po is ambition versus integrity. So, dito po sa film na ito is ang tension between career and personal values. Kasi, yung kay Andy naman siya kay Miranda is, yung kay Miranda is, nakafocus talaga siya doon sa career niya kasi nga, isa siya doon sa mga nagli-lead sa runway. And kay Andis naman po is, kumbaga siya yung nagsusupport, siya yung nagbibigay ng mga, siya yung secretary, siya yung mga naglilista ng mga kailangan, at pwede pang kailangan ni Miranda.
So about attitude, the film highlights how workplace culture can shape an individual attributes. And then about job satisfaction, the film demonstrates that job satisfaction is not solely about salary or prestige. Andy, despite working for a prestigious magazine, experiences little job satisfactions due to the toxic work environment and the lack of personal fulfillment. About ethics also, the film raises critical questions about ethical behavior in the workplace. So Miranda demanding and often unethical behavior towards her staff forces Andy to confront her own values and make difficult choices. That's all.
What are the consequences of decision made? O ano yung kahinatnan ng mga decision na ginagawa nila Andy, Miranda, at mga ka-workmates niya. So, sa decision nila, yung mas ano pa nila yung mga, kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Like, sa fashion nila yung pagsunod ni Andy kay Miranda na ganito, kung anong gagawin mo, o ano yung iutos ni Miranda kay Andy. Sa mga desisyon na ginagawa nila, may mga part na hindi na, or may part na mas maano pa yung desisyon ni Andy or ni Miranda na like, na magkakaroon ng problema or like, magkakaroon ng hindi magandang epekto sa kanila na like na may ginawang or hindi nagustuhan ni Andy, like yung sa pag-utos-utos sa kanya sunod-sunod na tinitiis niya lang kahit anong trato sa kanya ni Miranda kasi yun pag-uugali na talaga yun ni Miranda at siguro na titiis naman di Andy yung pagtrato sa kanya ni Miranda. So, they were a personal well-being relationship with Miranda to Andy and the world around us. So, sa mga nakakapaligid sa kanya or yung mga ka-workmate niya by the attitude positive, grow, build.
So, for job satisfaction at Runway, based on the plot, I can say it's prestige versus reality. Runway magazine is a symbol of success in the fashion world. And employees may be initially drawn to the prestige and then the chance to work with renowned names and the glamour associated with the industry. And however, the reality of the work can be very different with demanding deadlines and of course intense competition and the relentless pursuit of perfection. And of course, we can say about what the flow of the film because Miranda have a high perfection, the demanding nature of the as a boss, and the pressure to conform, and the blonde blurred line between work and personal life. That's job satisfactions of the flat.
Reflect on how this lesson could apply to your own experience or future workplace behavior. So, paano mo ma-apply yung lesson or paano mo i paano mo ma-apply sa iyong sarili or yung sa future mo or sa workplace na ginagalawan mo. So, ma-apply ko po to sa own experience ko po is the way na mas porsigihin pa po yung ability or yung passion mo sa isang work or mas enhance pa yung kaalaman mo sa isang trabaho or sa yung
So, for takeaways naman po is kailangan bago mo pumasok sa isang trabaho is may time ka pa rin sa family mo, alam mo i-manage yung time para may time ka sa trabaho at sa family mo. So, mahalaga ang trabaho pero dapat huwag mo naman isawalang bahala lang yung family mo kasi nga naka-ano ka lang sa trabaho. Yes, mahalaga yung trabaho kasi siya yung kumbaga nagbibigay para may mabayaran natin yung mga bills or kung ano pa man yan, mga groceries sa family. Pero huwag natin sana kalimutan yung family natin.